everyone, this is Tracey. As you probably know, Canada is famous for maple syrup. I have been here for about 2 years now, and this past March, I finally got a chance to witness how maple syrup is made from sap to syrup.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Ways to enjoy maple syrup include serving it with vanilla ice cream and with pancakes. I personally prefer pancakes than vanilla ice cream because vanilla ice cream could be kind of sweet and the vanilla flavor could be stronger than the maple flavor, so they're like competing for attention kind of. So sometimes I will also serve maple syrup with some Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt doesn't really have sweetness to it. This is where the maple syrup can really shine through. Don't worry if you overcook it. You probably can make it into a maple syrup taffy. So the way to do that is blend up some ice and then you will pour a little bit of that overly cooked, overly boiled maple syrup onto the ice. You will put a stick over one end of maple syrup and then you will roll it up after a few seconds. There you go, you can enjoy the taffy. So I also heard if you tap your sugar maple trees at the beginning of the season, it's gonna be a lighter color syrup and has more the traditional maple flavor, and then toward the end of the season it's gonna be a darker color syrup and it would kind of have a brown sugar flavor. So it really depends on what kind of flavor you prefer. In this video, I'm just sharing with you how you can make maple syrup on the smaller scale, but if you want to produce more, you'll probably need a shack like to produce it outdoors to make sure that your home is not too humid from all the boiling, because the boiling process will produce a lot of steam. You will also find a lot of maple festivals across different regions in different cities, different towns in Canada, and feel free to sign up for those to get a more outdoorsy experience. It's also a very fun event to go with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you pretty soon next time. Bye bye.